Hi third graders, welcome to lesson 13. It was just too nice a day to record in my basement, so here I am outside on this beautiful, beautiful sunny day. I hope you guys are out enjoying the weather as well. But what I want to do is I want to quick go through the A section of that song that we learned, and then we're going to learn the B section that goes along with it. So here we have that A section. Night is coming soon and the day is done. Moon and stars to have some fun. So let's have you sing it. Let's see, I want it to go. Good, so let's do it one more time. Get that high note in there. Day is done. That really nice high thing. Awesome. So that's the A section. Let's take a look at the B section. So here's the B section, and what I want you to do first is let's go through our 5 steps to reading. So our first step, as you know, is, that's not what I want. Hold on, friends. Now I got too many of them. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this one. Bye. And then I'm gonna go to this and go blup. There we go. Our first step is to clap the rhythm. Can't even type today. R-H. Awesome. So let's take a look at the rhythm and let's clap through it. Ready, set, here we go. Do, do, day, do, day, do, 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 do. Oh, how interesting. If you notice, at the end here, we've got 2 half notes that are tied together. So when things are tied together, that makes them a longer sound. So if I have a half note, 2, tied to another half note, 2, that gives me how many beats? 4, you got it. So we're gonna have to last that one for 4 beats. All right, so step 2 in our song learning steps is to name the solfege. So let's take a look at our song here. We've got our key, just right down here. Here's our key. We've got do on a line, re in a space, mi and so and la, and then this one here is that new high note. We're just going to sing high when we get there with lots of air. So let's take a look. We've got do. All these are do's. Ooh, and then a nice straight line up. Do, re, mi, so. And then it jumps up to that high note. That one that's above so and la. So we're going to go high, high, high when we get there. Nice and high with lots of air when we sing it. Okay, let's name those notes one more time. Do, 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 re, and a high thing. Great. So now our third step is going to be to find the copies and our form. Now since this song is so short, it doesn't have any copies in it. I know that's unusual. Step 4 is practicing our hand signs. So let's start with our do. Do, re, mi, so, high, high, high. Put that high way above our heads. Remember, la was here, but high is going to go way up there, okay? So let's do it one more time with our hand signs. Do, 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 do. High, high. Okay, and then our final step is going to be to audiate, which means we're singing it with our brain voice inside our head. We're hearing the solfege, we're reading the rhythms, we're doing the hand signs. All those things are happening all at the same time, okay? So I'm going to have you take about 30 seconds right now and just go through it on your own in your brain, and then I'll check in on you and see how you're doing there, okay? So I'm going to help you out by pointing through it, and I want you to go through it with me in your brain with those hand signs. Are we ready? Okay. High, high, Ooh, let's do it one more time, friends. That was good practicing. Thank you for your hand signs. Here we go. Excellent. I'm going to play it along with you, and then I want you to sing as I'm playing it. Ready? And here we go. Sorry, a little mess up for me there. Do it once more. Here we go. Cool, so I want to see how well you learned that song. Go into Seesaw and sing it for me. You can either sing it on the solfege or on the words if you think you're good enough. All right? I'll see you next time.